This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Meta hints at developing a Twitter competitor. Microsoft's Bing grows to 100 million daily active users. Disney is still considering buying Hulu, and more. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, is reportedly working on a standalone text-based social network app that could potentially rival Twitter. The app, currently codenamed P92, would allow users to log in using their existing Instagram credentials. According to the spokesperson for Meta, the new app is being developed to create a separate space for creators and public figures to share timely updates about their interests. The app is decentralized, which means that it cannot be run at the whim of a single entity and cannot be bought or sold. This is in contrast to centralized social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, which are owned and operated by a single company. It is not yet clear when the new app will be launched or what features it will have. However, it is expected to allow users to share text-based updates and may offer similar functionalities to Twitter, such as the ability to follow accounts, retweet, and engage with trending topics. Meta's move towards a decentralized social network platform is also in line with the growing trend of decentralization and blockchain technology in the tech industry. Rivian, an electric vehicle startup, has announced that thousands of its R1T reservation holders can expect an invitation from the company in the coming days, with deliveries expected in the next 1 to 4 months once their order is confirmed. This comes as the company has struggled to ramp up production, with a backlog of over 114,000 reservations as of September 2021. The company has not disclosed the current number of reservations. Those who receive an invitation to order an R1T will get access to the configurator, which they can use to select options. However, some configurations will not be available if the company cannot deliver them within the next 4 months, including the dual-motor drivetrain, max-pack battery, and some vegan leather options. The company warns that pricing and availability may change before the orders are placed. The company expects to produce around 50,000 vehicles this year, but that includes the R1S SUV and electric delivery vehicles for Amazon. In other news, Microsoft's Bing search engine has just crossed the milestone of 100 million daily active users. This achievement comes just weeks after the launch of its AI-powered Bing Chat feature. Bing's usage has been steadily growing in recent years, but the new Bing Chat feature also helped Microsoft grow its user base with people who have never used Bing before. In perspective, Google has over 1 billion daily active users. Bing Chat isn't the only reason for the increase in Bing usage. Microsoft Edge has also played a significant role in boosting Bing's usage. Microsoft has been aggressively pushing its search engine defaults with Edge updates, Windows updates, and even prompts to stop people from downloading Google Chrome. Microsoft has been gradually loosening restrictions on Bing Chat after initially adding them when some users received rude responses. The latest update to the feature includes toggles for different personality tones to counter the wild outburst. Microsoft has already grown its advertising business to $18 billion in revenue over the past 12 months, largely thanks to Bing, but it still has a long way to go to catch up to Google, which generated more than $200 billion from advertising in 2022. However, Microsoft sees this as an opportunity to grab some market share from Google. Disney CEO Bob Iger stated at the Morgan Stanley Tech, Media and Telecom Conference that the company is still weighing whether to buy Comcast's 33% stake in Hulu, citing the current economic downturn and Disney Plus' struggle. In 2019, Comcast and Disney announced an agreement that would ultimately give Disney full control of the streaming service. However, the agreement only permits either company to force a sale of Comcast's remaining stake in Hulu to Disney starting from January 2024, with a guaranteed minimum valuation of $27.5 billion. Making Comcast's share worth at least $9 billion. Disney's streaming business lost about $1.5 billion in the last quarter, and cost-cutting measures have been implemented, including laying off 7,000 workers and restructuring key areas of the business. Meanwhile, Hulu's actual valuation will be independently assessed closer to the sale deadline, but Iger said that the company is studying the business carefully before making any big decisions about its commitment to the platform. Comcast president responded by saying that the company is open to other offers for its Hulu stake, but would risk dissolving its current deal with Disney if it does. Finally, Silicon Valley Bank, a favorite lender in the tech sector, is closing down, as announced by the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation. The bank's distressed condition led to the FDIC taking over, and it formed a separate entity to transfer all insured deposits from SVB. Trading of the bank's share was halted after its stock fell by double digits, and its decline raised concerns among depositors about the safety of their money. The bank's focus on the tech industry, which has been walloped by the high interest rates and economic slowdown, is said to have caused this trouble. SVB's depositors include tech companies and venture capital funds, and it doesn't rely on mom-and-pop saving accounts like regular banks. The bank is the 16th largest in the country and is subject to more stringent regulations, with deposits insured up to $250,000 per depositor. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.